Meal prep. Often, it's a huge source of stress. Take the time to get used to collecting your recipes on one day. And then maybe the next day, you take the information, the ingredients that you need, and put it on your grocery list. And then maybe the next day, you do the actual shopping. Spread it out, but get used to doing it on a regular basis on those regular days. For me, when my kids were little and we were all at home, I only had to do 3, maybe 4 meals in a week because we ate leftovers. I never cooked a meal that didn't last us at least 2 days. So keep that in mind. Often the stress of not knowing what's for dinner or eating on the fly, that can be avoided with just a quick 10, 15 minutes of prep scattered throughout the week, getting ready for the next week. It's worth the lack of stress. It's worth going into the new week knowing that you're set.